video, we will understand about what culturally responsive pedagogy is and what are its characteristics. As we all know, the student population is diversified. Therefore, in multicultural classroom, teachers require a set of skills to promote achievement of all students. Culturally responsive pedagogy is an approach that empowers students not only intellectually but socially, emotionally, and politically by using cultural reference to impart knowledge, skill, and attitude among the students. By having a deeper understanding of students' background, teacher can intelligently respond to the needs of the students. Culture responsive pedagogy that recognize the importance of including student cultural references in all aspects of learning. Culturally responsive teaching can be defined as using the cultural knowledge, their prior experiences, and performance style of diverse students to make learning more appropriate and effective for them. It teaches to and through the strength of these students. Culture responsive pedagogy based on the assumption that when academic knowledge and the skill are situated within the lived experience and frame of reference of the students, they can more personally meaningful and they are learned more easily and thoroughly. So, culture responsive pedagogy supports multicultural education and it is based on the principle of social justice and incorporates different styles of teaching, effective management skills, carefully designed lesson to maximize learner engagement. Some essential elements of culturally responsive pedagogies are, as we all know, culture responsive pedagogy is situated in the framework that recognizes the rich and varied cultural wealth, knowledge, and skill that students from diverse cultural backgrounds bring to the school. So, developing a knowledge base through cultural diversity, including ethnic and cultural diversity content in the curriculum, teachers are demonstrating caring and building learning community. By communicating with the ethically diverse students, as we all know, pedagogy should be flexible. So, culture responsive pedagogy is the flexible and learner in equitable classroom by recognizing, responding to ethnic diversity in the delivery of instruction and appreciating their cultural veracity. Now move towards the characteristics of culturally responsive pedagogy. These are some characteristics of culture responsive pedagogy. We will discuss all one by one. First characteristics is positive perspective on parents and family. As we all know, parents are the first teacher for their child and they are critically important partner to the student and the teachers as well. In culturally responsive classroom, to help parents become aware of how they can be effective partners in the education process of their child, teachers should engage in dialogue with parents as early as possible so that they can know about parents' hopes and aspirations for their child, their sense of what the child needs, and suggestion about ways teacher can help. Teachers explain their own limitation and invite parents to participate in their child education in a specific ways. Next characteristic is teacher as a facilitator. In an active learning environment, teacher's role is one of guide, mediator, and knowledgeable consultant, as well as instructing with a smile. In culture responsive classroom, teachers should develop a learning environment that is relevant to and reflective of their students' social, cultural, and linguistic experiences. They act as a guide, mediator, consultant, and advocate the students, helping to effectively connect with their culture and community based knowledge to the classroom learning experiences. Next characteristic is reshaping the curriculum. The curriculum should be integrated. As we also say that curriculum should be interdisciplinary, meaningful, and student centered. It should include issues and topics related to students' background and culture. It should challenge the students to develop higher order knowledge and skills, integrated the various disciplines of curriculum, facilitate the acquisition of new knowledge. Students' strength in one subject area will support new learning in another. Likewise, by using student personal experience to develop new skill and knowledge, a culture responsive teacher make meaningful connection between school and real life situation. Next one is student centered instruction. Student centered instruction differs from traditional teacher centered instruction. In culture responsive environment, learning is cooperative, collaborative, and community oriented. Students are encouraged to direct their own learning, to work with other students on research projects and assignments that are both culturally and socially relevant to them. So, in that way, students become self confident, self directed, and proactive. Next characteristic is culturally mediated instruction. This is one of the important feature of culturally responsive pedagogy. Instruction in culturally responsive classroom is culturally mediated instruction. When it incorporates and integrates diverse way of knowing, understanding, and representing the information in the classroom. Instruction and learning take place in an environment that encourages multicultural viewpoints and allow for inclusion of knowledge and that is relevant to the student's culture. Learning happen in the culturally appropriate social situation, that is relationship among students and those between teacher and student are congruent with students' culture. Next characteristic is foster a sense of belongingness. There is an ongoing dialogue with the students, parents, and community members on issues important to them, along with inclusion of these individuals and issues in the classroom curriculum and activity. For new students or a student who seems isolated, a culturally responsive teacher can assign a buddy who will help them to feel at home. In that way, in the classroom, teacher can foster a sense of belongingness. Next characteristic is sharing culture. Multiculturally sensitive education does not only prescribe to mainstream ways of knowing. Teacher make authentic knowledge about different ethnic groups that is accessible to students. For example, teacher can use different activities like verbal creativity or storytelling that can he or she use to teach writing skills and enhance verbal communication among the students. so that they can know and praise their own and other cultural heritage. In the next video, we will discuss about how its principle works and how culturally responsive pedagogy is more effective than traditional pedagogy. So, enjoy learning.